Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you have global administrator rights. This is required to change authentication policies. Next, check whether accounts are cloud-only or synced from on-premises, because sync impacts available options. Once done, choose whether to enable per-user MFA or create a conditional access policy, since per-user is straightforward while conditional access gives flexible conditions. Make sure you plan targeted groups to pilot and inform users before enforcing across the organization. You now open the Admin Center and go to Azure Active Directory Security Authentication Methods and MFA settings. Configure allowed methods and set method strength. Authenticator app is recommended for security and usability. After that, craft a conditional access policy. Select target users or groups, pick Microsoft 365 apps, and require multi-factor authentication as a grant control. Make sure to enable report-only mode first to identify impacted users and avoid unexpected lockouts. You finish by piloting MFA with a small group, reviewing sign-in logs and user reports to validate behavior. Then roll out broadly and instruct users to register at the authentication setup page. Show them how to add the Authenticator app and backup phone numbers. If someone is blocked, check sign-in logs, reset their authentication methods from the admin portal, or issue a temporary access pass. Remember, monitoring and staged rollouts prevent widespread disruption and let you refine policies as needed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.